Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm, and in that order. And we're kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. So y'all just come on in, grab a seat, take a look, and have a listen, because you don't want to miss a thing. Hey y'all, Tracy here, keeper of the home at 4D Farms. We're gonna see if I can make some butter using some heavy whipping cream and my little handy dandy attachment here. Y'all ready? Let's do this. It's been about 5 minutes and it's getting thicker. Let's see how much more we can go. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see how thick it's getting? The cream is separating from the whey in here. So y'all, or the buttermilk, y'all just wait and see. Do you see it forming a butter ball? Keep watching. I'm going to keep this going and see what it does. It's forming that butter ball and separating the buttermilk. Y'all, do you see that? Look at that. Alright, all I gotta do, y'all, is spoon it over into here and strain it, and I'll show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, y'all. I got the butter in here in the strainer. I'm going to save this and use it for probably substituting and baking some kind of bread with. But I'm going to let it sit here. I'm going to keep letting it drain and pressing the rest of it out. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Y'all, this was all done with just this little mini food processor that's in my Amazon store under my kitchen essentials list. All it is, y'all, is just a little processor bottom, and then it has this handheld wand. There's your power, and it comes with these other two little attachments, y'all. Immersion blender attachment and a whisk attachment. You just hook it on the end of there, and you use it for whatever you need it for. All right, y'all, that would make a cute little Christmas gift or birthday gift, anything. But it's in my Amazon store on my kitchen essentials list. All right, let's get back to this butter. All right, y'all, I have got that out of the strainer. I pressed some more whey out of it, or buttermilk, whatever. And y'all, at this point, you can season it any way you want to. You can add salt if you want salted butter. I'm going to leave the salt out because I'm going to be using this in a recipe tonight. I'm cooking for supper that already calls for salt in the recipe. So I'm going to leave the extra salt out. But I am fixing to stir in some Italian seasoning and turn this into an herbal butter. Okay? So I'm going to pour this in here. And then I'm just going to start stirring this around. And then I'll let you see what it looks like. Alright, y'all, I got the herbs mixed in. Now I'm fixing to shape this. I got some saran wrap down. I'm fixing to shape this like in a little log and wrap it up in some saran wrap. So we are going to take our saran wrap it over and over like this. Now, just shape it like into a loaf. Whoop. Let's go this way with it so I don't unroll it. Look at there. Y'all, this is a good way to use up some extra whipping cream that you may have left over that was in your refrigerator. But y'all, this is the first time I've ever made butter using heavy whipping cream. First time for everything. But y'all, I remember when I was a little girl helping my grandmother churn butter till I thought my arms were going to fall off. I am no stranger to doing that. She had an old milk cow that wouldn't let nobody milk her but my grandmother. She'd bring that milk in, strain it, get the cream off, filter it. We drank the milk, And then she turned around and I helped her make butter. So there you go. You can make butter in a little mini food processor. This is going to get wrapped up on the ends, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it be getting hardened up. There you go.